Learn the whole phrase instead of word. For example, we have phrases apple of my eyes. Someone who is very close to you, she is the apple of my eyes. In hot water, it means in trouble. You are in hot water. Music to the ears, it means a very pleasant or melodious voice to your ears. Looks like $1 million, looking very beautiful or attractive. You look like $1 million. Another tip is watch a movie then read the novel. For example, we have an Indian movie, Half Girlfriend. Watch that movie and then read a novel which is written by Chetan Bhagat. It's a very awesome novel. Soft copy of this novel is available on freepdfdrive.com. Watch movies with subtitles. Have a notebook while watching a movies and do not forget to note down your favorite dialogue in English language. Another important tip is think in English. If you want to learn a target language, you should think in that language. Speak with full confidence rather than thinking about this someone will judge you. No one can judge you while you speak in English. It's very important for you to practice in English. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more videos.